Welcome to Mangala Group of Education Institution, where learning inspires innovation and success.
In today's competitive world, success is not measured by scores on grade sheet. For aspiring healthcare professionals, skill is very important. Other than clinical training at our hospital, we emphasize on hands-on training, seminars, workshops, and expertise talks. We are committed to nurture not just educated individuals, but the future leaders who can contribute in every phase of their life.
Mangala College offers diverse courses which include nursing, physiotherapy, allied health sciences, designed to prepare students for a bright future.
Being a student here at Mangala College has been a very good experience for me. The classes here are clear and understandable. The lecturers here are supportive and also help me improve academically as well as personally.
Now, moving into our labs where ideas turn into action and learning becomes practice.
Hi, my name is Riva and I'm from 4th year BSc Nursing. Honestly speaking, when I first joined nursing, I was very nervous and very anxious of what I'm going to study and how I will be studying. But because of the constant support from the faculty members and consistent practice on the mannequins made me learn a lot through this journey.
This is a library, quiet space where students explore knowledge, research ideas, and prepare for their future. Introducing Mangala Hospital and Mangala Kidney Foundation, a NABH accredited 250-bedded hospital. With clinical posting in its own hospital and district hospital, students gain strong hands-on experiences.
The best part of studying here is the clinical exposure we get in the hospital. We get to see different types of cases, which really helps us to understand what we study in class. The patient flow in the hospital is also good so that we get enough opportunities to observe and to practice different procedures.
Moving on to sports, where strength, teamwork, and determination come together.
Hey there. Honestly, sports here is like a stress buster for me. Our college has a really good football turf where not only we play football, but we also play cricket and some other sports. We also have indoor and outdoor games, so you always have something to play. During tournaments, don't ask, it gets really pumped up and heated up. And the support which we get from the college to the sports is really good and much appreciable.
In our institution, cultural is a celebration of creativity, talent, and expression.
Culturals was something which I didn't expect much at first, but it turned out to be the most amazing part of my college life. From Onam to Christmas, every celebration is filled with fun competitions, vibrant performances, and joyful festive spirits, which brings everyone together.
Hello, myself Navya M. I have completed my Diploma in Dialysis Technology, BSc in Renal Dialysis Technology and Masters in Renal Dialysis Technology from Mangala College of Allied Health Sciences. Currently, I am serving as a faculty in Department of Renal Dialysis Technology in our college. So since 2009, I am associated with Mangala institutions. I am grateful to our institution because which has shaped up me in this career.
I am Bandakaran Khombinan. I am from Meghalaya. I am currently pursuing my BSc on Emergency and Trauma Care Technology here in Mangala College of Allied Health Science. Mangala College offers excellent education with a strong focus on practical knowledge. Here the faculty's members are supportive, knowledgeable and always encourage us to grow both academically and professionally.
And with that, we come to the end of this glimpse into our college. Come and shape your future with Mangala Group of Education Institution, Mangalore.